creator and founder of Silky, and today I'm coming to you with an unboxing and a wig review of the New York Queen Bella Gaga wig. So we'll just show you. Here's the packaging that comes in. It is a synthetic wig, but it's saying that you can use a curling iron to go ahead and curl it. And what made me want to purchase this wig is because it had bangs. A lot of wigs don't have bangs. I know that's something that's going to be on trend this season, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out. So I'm taking it out of the packaging now. As you can see, it says it's flame retardant. It's in 1B. It's a part of their full wig collection. It's tangle free and luxurious. It has care instructions here on the back, a 1-800 number, the website. And I've never heard of this brand until recently. I was Googled and put in specifically a wig with bangs. And so this is what came out. So I'm taking her out of the packaging and it looks pretty nice so far. See the little bangs in front. Has a little bit of a shine to it, you guys. So I may have to maybe put a little dry shampoo, or some people I know put baby powder on the hair to help take that shine away a little bit. So I don't know, we'll see. Let me take out the tags and then I will wrap my hair and come back and we'll talk about it. So I took the tag off the wig and set it down, and I'm just gonna wrap my hair. I'm not gonna corn roll it. You can corn roll your hair so that it can lay flatter. I'm not very good at that. I have to have someone do it for me, so I'm just taking my hair with my wide tooth comb and gonna make a dome beehive around my head. And then I'm going to apply my wig cap. I'm hoping I can get away with this, you guys, since the wig has bangs. So I'm putting my wig cap on, and it's always better to use a wig cap that is your scalp color. But for this particular one, I'm going to go ahead and use what I have, and that's this black one. But in the future, and normally you should, so that if there's spots or places in the wig where you can see the hair isn't as thick and you can see through it, you would see your scalp if that was your real hair. So that's why it's better to get a lighter cap, so that if it was, you know, places where you can see, it's kind of giving the illusion that they're seeing your scalp. But because the hair is dark, I think I can get away, or you can get away if you're a brunette or have darker hair, you can get away with a darker cap, but usually that's what we recommend. So now I'm just going to grab the wig. Ooh, and I'm going to just detangle it slowly from the bottom to the top. And always when you comb your synthetic wigs, you should always be using a wide tooth comb. So let's see. The inside, you guys, doesn't have any combs. The bangs keep falling down. I'm sorry about that. There is just the tag in the back, and then the clips here, and the clips, I mean not clips, I'm sorry, straps. So here is the wig. I'm gonna put it on. You guys, I like it. I think it's cute. I mean, there is a little tangling going on right now. And so I'm just trying to be gentle. I definitely, like I said, I'm going to go and add a little dry shampoo, and I try to use dry shampoo for brunettes instead of talcum powder, just to help take a little bit of the shine off. But for a bang with, if you're looking for a wig and want to rock some bangs for the night or for the day, I think this will work. Bangs are kind of not doing what I want them to do, but we're gonna make it work anyway. They could probably be a little bit thicker, the bangs, because, you know, look, they're kind of thin. Maybe it's cuter if I do a little sweep look with it. So that's the unboxing and unveiling of this wig. If you are looking for an affordable wig with bangs, you might want to look into this. I will put the link to the wig and where I purchased it down in the comments below. Do you have a wig that you like with bangs that you prefer? Please share it with us. Also, if you like the video, make sure that you like and share it. As I always want to say, thank you so much for watching, and remember, better care is better wear. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications for our next video.